her go, let her go.
Ready? No. Don't fall off. Don't let go, Kelly. It's almost over.
No, it's not. It's got a long way to go.
I can't get my neck off. Spiders.
Now you're twisting back up, I think. Oh no.
I can't get my neck up.
Just let her keep twisting, that way she does some of the work for us.
Oh. Now whenever I get in there, you just twist it. You sit down and then twist it up, right?
You can,
get up real
you can do it.
too short. I can't get out. You look sick, Kelly. Get out, quick.
Yeah, get out so that you walk funny. Now try and walk.